Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy skies out there this morning. Temperatures already warming up near 80 degrees, so quickly warming this morning. Should see more of an onshore flow here come in the next hour or so, and that should cap our temperatures in the lower 80s today. Seeing temperatures in the mid 80s in the center portion of the peninsula today, so a warm and humid day across the area. Looking at our sounding form from this morning, you can see we have freezing level at 11,800 feet. Our winds are out of the southwest throughout the column today, allowing us to see those warmer temperatures. Light in the low levels, about 10 knots up to 6,000 feet, and increasing up to 20 to 25 knots between 9 and 12,000 feet, and seeing a peak wind above that at 20,000 feet at 34 knots this morning. And look at our surface analysis. We have an upper level low over the Appalachian Mountains, centered over south central Virginia, and I continue to see this boundary kind of remain over the area and wash out. We'll see a chance of some pop-up showers and thunderstorms today, as well as a possibility of some showers and thunderstorms moving in from the west for this evening and early overnight. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have a little bit of cloud cover just off to the west. It's moving towards the Wallops region, giving us more partly cloudy skies this morning. Most of that should move north and west of the region this morning. Looking at the radar imagery, you can see we do have a few light embedded sprinkles in those clouds. That's some of it's making to the ground. Looking like possibly near Crisfield, going to see a light rain shower here in the next half an hour or so. Wallops Island looks like, and the main base should see dry conditions through at least 11 o'clock this morning, and possibility about a 10% chance of a shower from now till about noon. The chances increase slightly with some pop-up variety showers and thunderstorms possible. So taking a look at the HERM model for today and the derived reflectivity, this is at noon today, and then 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 8 o'clock, you can see really develops those showers along the Appalachian Mountains, the Piedmont, moving into the coastal plain during the evening hours and trying to get over to the Delmarva Peninsula, but having a very tough time doing so. As I mentioned, the southwesterly flow is fairly light in the upper levels today. That's going to allow for those storms to be fairly slow moving, as well as not really have much forcing to move over the Chesapeake Bay cooler waters for the evening hours, but we will have a chance of that shower and thunderstorm moving through the area during the overnight hours. You can see the HERM brings through a shower during the morning hours of Saturday. It looks like a pretty slim chance of occurring. And Saturday afternoon looks like a better chance of showers and thunderstorms popping up. This is at 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon. You can see the HERM developing some Route 13 showers and thunderstorms across the peninsula. So looking at our European model and how that's going to play out for the next few days, here's Friday afternoon. You can see some showers and thunderstorms mainly along the Route 13 corridor and along the sea breeze boundaries. Moving into Saturday, you can see a possibility of some rain showers and thunderstorms tonight early on, and then Saturday afternoon looks like a better chance on the Euro of seeing some fairly decent chances of some showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the center portion of the peninsula for tomorrow. Wallops will have a better chance than today of seeing that for tomorrow afternoon. And looking at Sunday, much the same pop-up variety showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon hours, and looking at those mainly after about 11 o'clock in the morning into the afternoon hours, and then ending most likely around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So looking like those chances are fairly slim on both Saturday and Sunday of seeing something over Wallops, but continuing the chances as we do have the upper level low over the area, as well as some humid and warm conditions. So then Monday we'll move into some more heat across the region, more summertime type weather pattern with a high off the coast, pumping in more warm air across the region. That's going to allow us to see the mid 80s on Monday, upper 80s on Tuesday, into the low 90s as this cold front slowly presses towards the region from the west, and we're going to see a possibility of some rain showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday evening, with the hot conditions on Wednesday. And Thursday looks like right now that front should be off the coast, but can't rule out that front being slower moving with the residual high off the coast, keeping that front from moving very quickly. So we'll keep a chance of some thunderstorms in the forecast for Thursday of next week. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a 20% chance of a rain shower and a thunderstorm from about noon to 4 o'clock, or I should say 1500 local. And then after 2300 local, we'll see a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, about a 20% chance as well, until 4 local on Saturday. We'll have a slight chance of seeing some low clouds tomorrow morning. Highs today will be in the low to mid 80s, looking at 84 degrees for the high. This was bumped up from this morning's forecast as temperatures are already quickly warming into the lower 80s this morning. Should see that south wind cap those temperatures in the lower mid 80s today. Tonight we'll see a low of 67 degrees, and for our next 24 hours, looking at the terminal forecast, should see VFR conditions in general. Just a chance of seeing those ceilings below 3,000 feet with any of the rain showers in here with thunderstorms. And as I mentioned, we'll have a 20% chance of a thunderstorm from noon till 1500 local, and then a 20% chance of a thunderstorm from 2300 local today till Saturday at 4 local. Tomorrow morning we'll just be dealing with some low clouds around 800 feet, possibly down to 500 feet, with mostly cloudy conditions. They're tied just slightly above normal. And look at the weekend. Saturday will be mostly cloudy with a chance of low clouds in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening. A high of 79 degrees. We'll see about a 30 to 40% chance of those showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. Saturday night, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy, a chance of low clouds, a low of 67 degrees. And for Sunday, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions with a chance of low clouds in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of afternoon pop-up showers and thunderstorms. We'll see a high of 80 degrees. We'll be humid on both Saturday and Sunday, and looking about a 30-40% chance of showers and thunderstorms on both days. Saturday may see a slightly higher chance at Wallops compared to Sunday. Overall, we'll still see those chances of low clouds, especially in the morning hours and the overnight hours, with the abundant low-level moisture and fairly light winds overnight. Should see some low-level cloudiness build in the region. Just a slight chance of seeing it below 500 feet, though. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures around 80 degrees. Should see 84 here today. That has not been updated, but should see temperatures around 80 degrees for the next 3 days. Highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday. And then Monday, we'll see a slight chance of a thunderstorm with a sea breeze boundary, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we'll see hot conditions on Tuesday and Wednesday with warm conditions on Thursday. Temperatures near 90 on Tuesday and Wednesday, and in the upper to mid 80s on Thursday. A chance of showers and thunderstorms for both Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday looks like a better chance right now in the evening hours, and Thursday, with the timing of those fronts continuing to slow down the models, has been the trend, keeping a chance at 20%. But we'll continue to refine that forecast once we get closer to the latter portion of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today, and we'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.